Namaste, lovely souls, and welcome back to Artist at Living. What if the day you were born holds the secret to becoming a millionaire? Sounds intriguing, right? Could it be that the stars and the numbers in your birth date set the stage for your financial future? Welcome to our channel, where we explore thought-provoking topics that challenge the ordinary and dive into the extraordinary. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our fascinating discussions and insights. In today's episode, we're diving deep into numerology and astrology to uncover whether your birth date could be a cosmic clue to achieving financial success. If you're ready to explore this exciting concept and see what the stars have to say about your journey to wealth, let's get started. For centuries, humans have looked to the skies seeking meaning and guidance from the celestial bodies. The belief that the stars and planets influence our lives is rooted in ancient traditions, with astrology and numerology playing significant roles in cultures across the globe. Astrology has been practiced for thousands of years, from the Babylonians mapping the constellations to the Greeks linking them to mythological stories. Numerology, too, has a rich history. Early civilizations believed that numbers hold a mystical significance. Pythagoras, the ancient Greek philosopher, famously connected numbers to deeper meanings, suggesting that they could reveal secrets about the universe and perhaps our own destinies. These ancient practices didn't just offer guidance for personal growth. They were also used to predict events, understand personalities, and even forecast wealth and success. In many cultures, it was common to consult astrologers and numerologists before making significant decisions, such as starting a business or embarking on a journey. Today, we may not rely on these practices as heavily, but the fascination with the cosmic connection remains. So, let's explore how your birth date might be more than just a number. It could be a clue to your financial journey. So, how does numerology work, and how can it possibly predict your financial future? The key lies in understanding the concept of life path numbers. Numerology is the study of numbers and their symbolic meanings, suggesting that each number carries unique vibrations and energies that can influence our lives. To find your life path number, you start with your full birth date and reduce it to a single digit. Here's how it works. You add together all the digits in your birth date. For example, if you were born on June 20th, 1990, you'd add 6 for June, plus 2 plus 0 for the 20th, plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 for 1990. This gives you 27. Now you add 2 plus 7, which equals 9. In this case, your life path number would be 9. Each life path number is associated with certain characteristics, personality traits, and even career tendencies. Some numbers are linked to creativity, others to leadership, and some to innovation. Numerologists believe that by understanding your life path number, you can gain insights into your potential for financial success and discover the best paths to pursue your dreams. Now that we know the basics, let's dive deeper into how these numbers might be connected to becoming a millionaire. Ready to find out if you're on the path to prosperity? Let's go. Now that you know how to calculate your life path number, you might be wondering how this connects to wealth. The idea behind numerology is that each number has unique attributes, and these attributes can influence your chances of financial success. Let's take a closer look at what your birth date might say about your path to wealth. Some numerology experts suggest that certain life path numbers are more closely linked to prosperity. For example, those with a life path number of 1 are known for their leadership skills and determination. These individuals tend to be entrepreneurs or innovators, driven to achieve their goals. It's no surprise that many successful business leaders have this life path number. On the other hand, life path number 8 is associated with ambition, power, and a strong desire for success. People with this number are often drawn to careers in finance or business, where they can leverage their talents for leadership and strategic planning. This combination can lead to significant financial rewards. Life path number 9, while often focused on humanitarian efforts, can also be a path to wealth. These individuals are driven by a sense of purpose and a desire to make the world a better place. When they align their passion with a business or charitable endeavor, they can create both social impact and financial success. Of course, these connections are just possibilities, not guarantees. Numerology provides insights, but the journey to wealth depends on many factors, including hard work, perseverance, and the ability to seize opportunities. Let's delve deeper into specific birth dates and see what they might reveal about your potential for financial success. Life path number 1, born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th. These dates fall under life path number 1, associated with leadership, innovation, and determination. People born on these dates are often driven to succeed with a strong desire to carve their own path. They might be entrepreneurs, trailblazers, or anyone who thrives on competition. If you're in this group, your ambition could be your greatest asset in building wealth. Life path number 2, born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th. This cluster corresponds to life path number 2, indicating diplomacy, cooperation, and harmony. Those born on these dates often excel in teamwork, making them excellent collaborators. They may find success in partnerships or careers that require strong interpersonal skills. If you're here, your ability to connect with others could open doors to financial opportunities. Life path number 3, born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th. Life path number 3 is all about creativity and communication. People born on these dates are often artistic, expressive, and full of innovative ideas. They might excel in creative industries like entertainment, writing, or design. If you're part of this group, your creativity could be the key to unlocking wealth. Life path number 4, born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st. Life path number 4 represents discipline, organization, and hard work. People born on these dates tend to be reliable and excel at building strong foundations. They often find success in fields that require structure and attention to detail. If you were born on one of these dates, your persistence could lead to financial stability and growth. Life path number 5, born on the 5th, 14th, or 23rd. Life path number 5 is characterized by a love of adventure and change. People born on these dates are adaptable, energetic, and crave variety. They might thrive in careers that offer travel, new experiences, or dynamic environments. Your flexibility and adventurous spirit could lead to diverse and potentially lucrative opportunities. This number is associated with risk-taking and freedom, which might draw you to careers in sales, travel, or entrepreneurial ventures. Your willingness to take risks could lead to substantial rewards. Life path number 6, born on the 6th, 15th, or 24th. Life path number 6 signifies compassion and responsibility. Those born on these dates often excel in roles that involve caring for others, such as teaching or healthcare. Your sense of responsibility and empathy could guide you towards success in professions that value these traits. Life path number 7, born on the 7th, 16th, or 25th. Life path number 7 is about spirituality and introspection. People born on these dates are deep thinkers, seeking knowledge and understanding. They might excel in fields that require analysis or research. Your quest for wisdom could lead to unique financial opportunities. Life path number 8, born on the 8th, 17th, or 26th. Life path number 8 is known for ambition and power. Those born on these dates are often drawn to business and leadership roles. They seek success and are willing to work hard for it. your ambition could drive you toward wealth and prosperity. Life path number 9. Born on the 9th, 18th or 27th. Life path number 9 is all about compassion and humanitarianism. People born on these dates often have a strong desire to make a positive impact on the world. They might excel in careers related to charity, social work, or non-profits. Your passion for helping others could lead to a meaningful and prosperous life. While numerology offers intriguing insights into the possible connection between birth dates and financial success, it's important to recognize the challenges and risks that come with the journey to wealth. Achieving financial stability requires dedication, discipline, and smart decision-making. One common challenge is the temptation to overspend. Some birth dates are associated with a love of luxury and an enjoyment of the finer things in life. While treating yourself is great, it's crucial to keep a budget and manage your finances wisely to avoid falling into debt. Another potential risk is the pressure to achieve success quickly. The path to wealth is rarely a straight line. Setbacks and obstacles are inevitable. If you're too focused on instant success, you might miss valuable learning experiences along the way. Remember, numerology can guide you, but it's ultimately your hard work, persistence, and sound judgment that will lead to lasting success. Stay focused, be patient, and embrace the journey. As intriguing as numerology is, it's important to approach it with a dose of realism. While it's fun to explore the potential connections between birth dates and wealth, there's no solid scientific evidence that these links are definitive. Wealth is influenced by many factors, including education, environment, access to resources, and individual effort. Numerology can be a source of inspiration, providing a unique perspective on your personality and potential strengths, but it's not a guarantee of success. The real path to wealth involves hard work, perseverance, and smart financial planning. The stories of successful people often involve setbacks, failures, and a lot of determination. It's essential to remember that wealth and success are not just about cosmic alignments, they're about your actions and choices. Another caution: relying solely on numerology can lead to unrealistic expectations or even poor financial decisions. If you're making important choices about your career or finances, it's best to consult professionals and do thorough research. Be skeptical of quick fixes and promises of easy wealth. Ultimately, the most powerful force in your journey to success is you. Your dedication, resilience, and willingness to learn will determine where you end up. So, while it's fun to explore numerology, always keep your feet on the ground and focus on building a solid foundation for your future. That's a wrap on our exploration of numerology and the potential connections between birth dates and wealth. We hope you found it as intriguing as we did. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmic world of numbers, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next episode. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us what you think about numerology and whether you believe it has a role in shaping our financial futures. Have you experienced any connections between your birthday and your journey to success? We want to know your stories. Remember, while numerology can be a fascinating guide, the most crucial factor in achieving success is your effort, determination, and resilience. So stay curious, work hard, and keep exploring new possibilities. Thanks for joining us on Artist at Living. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Namaste.